Hi, thanks for gardening with me. I'm Melissa and this is Tony, and today we are doing the great reveal on our banana tree. I will put a link to the video from last year where we covered it up. We know it's alive because it has been fighting to get out from underneath these leaves. So we're going to go ahead and take everything off and let it get some sunshine, and we'll show you what that looks like.
Now keep in mind, when I put this away, if you watch the last video, we cut it down to like this tall. We had this mulched up to here for the winter, to get it through the winter, and it has been popping through. We had a couple nights that it frosted, so I made a makeshift protector for it to keep it from freezing. I actually had to cut part of the top off last week because one night it got too cold and it frosted the top, the first leaf coming out of it. So and there you have it. So there's proof that you can grow a banana in Ohio through the winters if you properly set it up.
That's crazy. I can't wait to see what it looks like underneath all those leaves.
Yeah, here, look, here's even another little, I don't know if you can see that from the camera, but there's another leaf already coming out. And I already cut one off earlier because, like I say, it frosted, and I cut the top of this one off. But I'm anxious to see if there's any suckers underneath here that we can...
Oh yeah, any little babies.
Yeah, so we'll get this pulled apart and we'll go from there. That one's that one's a little stubborn there. There we go. Let's see here. Oh, I've got water in it. Look at that.
It's a lot more leaves in there than it looked like.
Yeah. Try some. Sure. Oh yeah, look at that beauty. Definitely. This will make some nice mulch here.
Yeah, I was thinking that new path that we put in the back, put it all over top of that path.
You want to do that?
Yeah.
Why would you want to do that?
Suffocate all the weeds.
Will it, or will it help it?
No, it'll suffocate.
Oh, that's tough there. I don't know what's holding that up.
I think that's one of the big leaves. I mean, oh no, I guess not. Oh, it was.
You stand over there. My banana tree, my baby. We were in the store the other day. We went into Wilson's to buy new banana trees a couple weeks ago, and they had a banana tree that was probably 1.5 feet tall. And I bought this last year when I first planted it, and it was this big, and I paid $19.99 for it. And they had some in the store that were this big, and they were $69.99. And then Melissa was at another place the other day, and there was a banana tree just a little taller than this one in a pot.
Yeah, it had a bunch of leaves on it though. It was a
Yeah,
red one.
it was a red one, and they wanted over $200. So we finally found a couple that we bought for like $29 because I'm gonna plant more in the back. I don't know if you guys can see this, but look here. Here's another. Here's another one.
In on it.
This is another. This was a sucker this big last year, and it is taken off. This thing is going to go nuts. Now what I'll probably have to do is cut that top off, maybe, just to let it.
Yeah, let's wait till the end of the day and see what it looks
Yeah,
like.
we'll see. But I'm venture to say that there's more, because I had like 4 suckers coming out of this thing when I buried it last year. So we'll see. I just got to be careful not to destroy it. But that's crazy. That is crazy right there. But these banana plants have gotten so expensive this year because of COVID.
I think everything relating to gardening has gotten so expensive this year.
Boy, this is gonna make some nice mulch, man. Look at that. I cannot believe how big that is. That thing was literally that big.
Yeah, I think there was one on the other side.
Yeah,
too,
I am.
right?
I just gotta be careful. Yeah, there was 4 of them.
Was there 4?
Yeah. If you look at the last video, I just gotta be careful as I get towards this bottom, not to hurt it. I am shocked that that thing is that big.
Should we go dump
Well,
that?
we might have to dump this here shortly.
Yeah, let's go dump it.
Let me dig this out real quick. That's crazy. I can't get over how big that second one is. I'm gonna let it go, buddy. Throw your net in there too. Oh my goodness, I cannot believe that. All right, we gotta go dump. I cannot believe how big that second one is.
I know, it's so exciting. Hopefully there's more.
Yeah, I'd like to have a couple more small ones to pull up.
This is where we're gonna dump them. So we're hoping this summer to get this area really cleaned up. We got estimates coming to get the trees down and gonna split up that wood and stack it in the back. And we're just hoping to plant some nice stuff back here, some evergreens, and just make it beautiful. When we moved in, it was just poison ivy everywhere. So it's taken us 7 years to get the poison ivy under control, and there's still, show you. I think that's poison oak, maybe. But yeah, it's still all over the place, unfortunately.
Oh, your stand fell over, Meg. Oh, there's one. There's one. Oh, baby.
Oh my goodness.
I want to get that rake in. There's a baby. Oh, there's one.
Out there?
Huh. Might just dug it up. Oh, there's another one. There's something.
Oh, it's probably
Okay,
black-eyed Susans or strawberries. Boy, I don't even see the banana leaves that you put in there. They must have completely broke down.
Well, they say that all that gives it all is potassium for the year. That's what I read. There's another one.
Oh my goodness.
There's one. Look at that baby. There's all the banana leaves. Compost banana leaves. Look at that big sucker.
Wow.
There's another one right there. Look. See him? Right there, there's another one. These are all bananas.
Now, do you want to keep them attached, or do you want to like break them off and plant them somewhere else, or plant them right next
Well,
to
I
it?
want to leave that big one attached, so I have two here. I don't know. I need to let them see how they're going to do the next couple days, and maybe I can detach them once we get back from our trip. There's another big one. He's staying. I'm going to have 3 of them.
Wow.
I'm going to have 3 of them. 3 banana trees in one spot. It's going to be sweet. I'm going to dig them other ones up eventually. There's another one. Oh, here.
Oh my goodness.
There's another one. So what is that? I said there was what, 5 when I planted, or 4. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and I thought there was 2 more. I got 2 more, I think. Right there. Yeah, those are babies, look. So I don't know how you dig those up. I'm not sure.
Yeah, we'll have to
We'll
research
have to
it.
research that a little bit. To be continued. Whoop. There's something over here coming up. Not quite sure what that is. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 out of 1 plant for 1 year. That's 1-year-old tree.
Thank you so much for gardening with me, even though he did all the work. God bless. Have a great week.